Let's check what we will have on breakfast. They have meals for free.
Good morning.
Good morning. Morning. And I really like this area because this is area for living. There are also a few very nice, cute rooms with big windows. And as I showed you already, this is breakfast room. So what we are having for breakfast? It's watermelon, Thai soup, coffee, 𝐿𝐶𝐿. For two. You have a fridge full of lemonades and water. It's a great glass.
Even beer.
Huh?
Even beer.
And beer, right. There is a very comfortable area for kids or for your friends. And look at this. It's very cute. And you can make this and this.
Have additional privacy.
Yeah. I think there is a lot of place and space, and this is bathroom. Look at this. You can have a pool party here. They have shampoo and shower cream, and this is toilet. I think it's also very comfortable and a special place for boys. Very nice. We highly recommend it. Yes,
Yes, it's a very nice place. We enjoyed it, even for a couple days, not
Yes.
only for one day. It's perfect for 2 people. It's awesome, but even for 3-4 people, it's fine as well.
So we will leave you link in the description.
Yes.
The best.
Just what the doctor ordered.
The best idea for the beach.
Yeah, ice cold coconut and watermelon juice.
And there is no alcohol. It's
No alcohol.
great idea.